I am Viral Panara from Mechanical Engineering Department. I am an assistant professor in the Mechanical Engineering Department. I am working with the Industry 4.0 Excellence Center provided by Festo Industries. In that facility, we are having a hydraulic, pneumatic, as well as Industry 4.0 trainer setups by which we can introduce Industry 4.0 technology to the students for a better understanding of what is going on in current industry scenario. So basically Industry 4.0 is a transformation from Industry 3.0 to Industry 4.0, in which different automated machineries are getting connected with each other so that the production, the services, the maintenance, the after effect of every shutdown can be predicted before it goes to the shutdown stage. So basically it gives an advantage of having better understanding, better utilization of equipments and time. So basically we can save lots of resources with the help of Industry 4.0 application. So in Industry 4.0 we are modifying the current industries and we are making them a smart in terms of with the help of Internet of Things, information and technology is which has been developed by different departments, different fields, and we are making them together at one place. So basically not by just single department, we are going to utilize the information from all around all other departments to the single unit. So basically we are making them smart so that they can produce highly efficient and we can have lots of production rates. Bachelor degree students, master's degree students, as well as research scholars are working with different automation systems like pneumatic systems, hydraulic systems, advanced pneumatic and hydraulic system, and Industry 4.0 concepts. So basically student can understand what is currently going on into the industry and how they are going to utilize their knowledge, basic concepts to the industry and complex problems. So to understand complex problems, first of all you will going to need a basic information as well as what is going on in current industry. So you need to understand current scenario of industry, and those informations, those knowledge will be shared with this Festo 4.0 facility over here. So basically student will get current updated knowledge of automation as well as Industry 4.0 and they can utilize it by providing some inputs. Basically this Industry 4.0 concept is being implemented by so many car manufacturers, so many high rate production lines are there, like food industry, other industries are being adopted this Industry 4.0 and they are getting lots of benefits compared to the previous technologies. So the basically combination of different technologies can enhance, can improve your production as well as you can have a benefit out of it. So Industry 4.0 is having lots of scopes and challenges are there. So if you are interested, you can go for it.